How many of us open a dictionary and start reading the definitions? You know, the definition of a word 1 and a definition of a word 2, and so it goes. No one. Why? Because it's boring. But the definition section or definitions in the contracts are very important. In fact, that is where the most traps are. You know, for example, you can narrow and tinker with warranties and representations or indemnities right there in a section. But that will be obvious. That will be visible. That will be apparent. So clever lawyers tinker with definitions in some other section. They will make a product definition very narrow. They will exclude certain services. They will define parties. They will slice and dice them in a way that not everyone is excluded. So the less sophisticated lawyer who's lazy, who doesn't want to read the definition, will miss it. Anyway, definitions are very important. And yes, you should read them. And yes, you should reread them in the context of a provision you're reviewing. That is how you make sure that you don't fall into traps.